Good day, everyone. My topic is about the use of mobile phones in the classroom during class time. Many students use their phones during class. Phones can be helpful because we can use them for quick research, dictionary, calculator, and online activities. They make our work faster and sometimes make the lesson more fun. But phones also have bad sides. They can distract students. Some may open games or social media instead of listening. Phones can also cause cheating and disturb the class. Because of this, the best solution is balanced use. We should only use phones for school activities and follow the teacher's rules. Phones should help us, not distract us. Advantages of using phones. Why students use phones? For quick research, students can search answers in information fast, lalo na kapag may hindi sila naintindihan. Hindi na kailangan maghintay ng matagal. Dictionary and calculator. Useful ito kapag may unfamiliar words or kailangan ng mabilisang computation. Mas mapapadali ang pag-answer. Online class activities. Phones are used for quizzes, polls, or activities na online. Nagiging mas active ang students kapag interactive ang lesson. Pagdating naman po sa advantages, fast access to information. Madali kang makahanap ng facts or examples para mas maintindihan ang topic. Number 2, helps in answering tasks. Phones make assignments easier because tools and apps are already there. And lastly, makes lessons more interactive. Mas engaging ang class dahil may videos, pictures at activities na pwedeng gawin at gamitin. Pagdating naman po sa advantages, students get distracted. Minsan napupunta sa ibang apps kaya hindi nakikinig sa lesson. Number 2, focus goes to games or social media. Students may open games or scroll sa social media habang may klase, which affects learning. May cause cheating. Phones can be used to search answers during tests, kaya nagiging unfair. And lastly, interrupts the class. Tumutunog o nagba-vibrate ang phone at nakakagulo sa teacher at students. Sa balanced use naman, use phones only for school tasks. Para maiwasan ang distraction, gamitin lang kapag kailangan sa lesson. Put phones on silent para hindi makaisturbo sa class flow. And lastly, follow teacher rules. Important ito para may order at hindi magulo ang classroom. In conclusion, phones can help us learn or distract us. It depends on how students choose to use them. Kung responsible ang paggamit, nakakatulong talaga ito sa lessons. Yun lamang po at maraming salamat.